Hello, Mr. Chu here with Brack Geometry. We're going to work some student challenge problems from a complementary and supplementary angle video that I made for my good friends at INDLS. So, make sure you click on this link and it takes you back to my original lesson. Like this video if it helps you. And then over here, there will be a subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you do that, I can reach out to more students and help more people. And that's what I want to do. I taught for 24 years in the regular classroom, both in brick and mortar and in a virtual school. And now I'm making videos for you. So we explained how complementary angles is when two or more angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So it makes a right angle. Supplementary angles, two or more angles whose sum is 180. So I could say that they're complementary if two angles added together equals 90 degrees. And I could say they're supplementary if two angles added together is 180 degrees. And the way I always taught my geometry students to remember the difference between these two, C comes before S and 90 degrees is less than 180. So it's just up to you. So there were two challenge problems. Challenge 1 said find the measure of angle 1 if measure of angle 2 is 36 degrees and the angles are complementary. So complementary means it's got a right angle here. And I know that one of the angles is 36 and the bigger one, I don't know. So all you have to do is say, I know that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90. Now I use the substitution property of equality to substitute 36 in for the measure of angle 2. Then I'm going to use my algebra properties, the subtraction property of equality, to subtract the 36 from the left, the 36 from the right. These cross out, and the measure of angle 1 plus 0 is the measure of angle 1. And 36 from 90 is 54 degrees. So I know that this is a 54 degree angle right here. If your teacher asks you to check them, you just say, well, I'm going to take my two angles and add them up, and they're going to equal 90. And they do, so I know they really are complementary. In challenge 2, I have a straight line, which is a 180 degree angle, which means it's supplementary. And I know that I've got a 102 degree angle right here in green, measure of angle 1, and I'm supposed to find the measure of angle 2. So now I'm just going to substitute. So the measure of angle 1 is 100 degrees plus the measure of angle 2 is 180. I subtract 100 from the left and 100 from the right. Crosses out here because 100 minus 100 is 0, and 0 plus the measure of angle 2 is the measure of angle 2 that equals 80 degrees. So I can come up here and now I can say the measure of angle 2 equals 80 degrees. It's not 80 because it's 102. I put 100 here. So that's why you always check these, because it wasn't going to check until I saw this mistake. And it's not 80. 180 minus 102 is 78 degrees. So I looked up here and I knew it had to have an 8 in it. 78 degrees. How do we check that? To check it and make sure, yes, I did do it right, I take 102 plus 78. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. Since it's 180, they are supplementary. Make sure you like this video if it helped you. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel down here. There's a link down here. I'm Mr. Chu, and I want to help you learn the geometry. And I'll see you next time in another video.